Typhoons, fires, earthquakes. What do these disasters have in common? Yes, they all cause massive destruction, taking lives, damaging property, and disrupting the livelihoods of those affected. We may never be able to prevent them, but we can prepare for them. The real question is, are you prepared?
Guys! Perfect! Suspended! Makakapag-picnic tayo!
Uy, Bex, hindi pa ako prepared. Wala pa ako, di pa ako nagamit.
Padala nga ako ng curler, hairbrush, at saka makeup kit.
Anong time pala tayo mamaya?
3 p.m. para di masyadong mainit. Overnight na tayo dun.
Uy, set na tayo sa call time, ha?
Ayan, mukhang prepared na tayo
Ay, sa wakas, matutuloy na ang drawing.
O siya guys, mag-prepare na tayo.
Pre, may nabalitaan ako.
Uy, ako rin pre, may nabalitaan. May maganda spot sa agency ta.
Ikaw, sakto suspended oh. Set na yan. Send location niya. Gege, tara. Kita-kits na lang doon.
Uy, may paparating palang bagyo. Lord, may nakasit pa mo kami gana mamaya. Paano kaya to? Alam ko na, dapat magdala rin ako ng tubag para prepared ko sakaling di ganun ako uwi.
Tara na, boy, tol.
Ano to? Wala ka setup ah. Kahit gusto.
Ayan, perfect. Okay, tayo muna tayo, kain muna tayo.
Ang init.
Parang ulo namang bagyo eh.
Suspended lang yan. Baliktad mag-suspend si Mayor.
Pansin niyo po si Arky, nasan siya?
Ewan ko nga eh. Biglang umalis.
Ay, ayusin ko muna emergency kit ko. Ba't nandiyan ka? Anong ginagawa mo? Nag-ayos ako ng emergency kit, tol. Mas okay lang mag-ayos ng emergency kit. Emergency kit? Picnic lang to ah. Oo, picnic lang, tol. Pero safe is better than a sorry.
Uy, pre, may bagong update sa code mo. Tara, open.
Open na.
Open na ako.
Game.
Uy, pre, bakit parang kumukulimlim na?
Oo nga, tapos ang lakas na ng hangin ah. Parang babagyo ah.
Ayaw niyong sumilong na?
O, tara na, sino na.
Ay, mamilit! Ay, ulam! Uy, tayo!
Uy, hindi tayo prepared. Ito yung dalang gamit. Paano niya?
Aha, I got you guys.
Siyempre, dapat hindi lang isa ang kikilos para sa atin. Dapat tayo mismo ready at prepared.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And these are the safety measures that we should follow in time of a typhoon.
What to do before, during, and after a typhoon?
Before the typhoon arrives, PRE, prepare. For P, pay attention to weather updates. Always tune into radio, TV, or other social media official pages for real-time updates about the typhoon. Browse sources like Pag-asa or LGU to know when the typhoon will enter the country, how strong it is, which areas will be affected, and its possible impacts. This helps you prepare early and avoid panic. Hindi lang tayo maghihintay sa mga update ni Mayor na walang pasok.
Review local emergency hotlines. List or save emergency numbers on your phone, like the MDRRMO, barangay hotlines, the fire department, and police. During emergencies, seconds matter. Having hotlines ready ensures that you can call for help immediately if someone is injured, trapped, or if the situation gets dangerous.
E. Equip your emergency go bag good for 72 hours. A go bag allows you to evacuate quickly without forgetting necessities. This is your survival kit in case roads are closed, stores shut down, and rescue takes time. Include essentials like first aid kit, medicine, food, ready-to-eat food, whistle, and flashlight, hygiene kits, extra clothes, important documents, radio, and of course, don't forget cash. Ayan, parang Dora the Explorer atake natin.
P. Power-up devices. Power interruptions are common during storms. Make sure all gadgets and power sources like batteries and power banks are fully charged before the typhoon arrives. No to robot drama during disasters.
Assess your home and surroundings, lock all windows and doors.
R. Review your family emergency plan. And E. Ensure everyone knows what to do. Discuss with families where is the nearest evacuation site, school or covered court. Who will carry the go bag? What route will you take? Where will you meet if separated? Having a plan avoids confusion, thus everyone knows what to do, where to go, and how to stay safe.
During the typhoon, BESAFE, be safe. B. Be indoors. Do not go outside or travel until authorities officially declare it safe. Staying inside keeps you safe from relying objects or collapsing structures. No gala, no content muna outside.
E. Energy conservation. Power outage may last for hours and days. Use light and gadgets only when necessary to save battery.
S. Stay in touch. Keep your communication line open. Regularly inform your family and friends about your condition so emergency response can be contact if needed.
Act on evacuation orders. Evacuate immediately if authorities announce it. Follow barangay or LGU's instruction for areas at risk of flooding, landslide, and storm surges.
F. Follow and ensure updates. Follow authorities' guidance and ensure you continuously. Monitor local news, radio, or official social media for real-time updates on warnings and wind signals and rainfall advisories.
After the typhoon, CARE or CARE. C. Check for hazards. Inspect your home and surroundings for damage. Many post-typhoon injuries occur after the storm due to hidden hazards such as fallen wires, debris, or unstable structures.
Assist in cleanup drives, dispose trashes, remove stagnant water, and disinfect flooded areas para iwas dengue vibes.
R. Reach out to the community. Help in simple ways like sharing food, assisting neighbors, and joining cleanup efforts. Community cooperation speeds up recovery and promotes safety.
E. Engage responsibility online when posting on social media and be sensitive and helpful. Share donation drives, emergency hotlines, or relief center information for those who are affected.
Nice one, boy! Uy, tara na, baka mabagsakan ka ng chandelier.
It's hard to predict when an earthquake can happen, so we must always stay alert whenever disaster can strike. Here are some safety tips and do's and don'ts in time of an earthquake.
Earthquakes are vibration that occurs on Earth's surface. These quakes can happen all the time, but those with low magnitudes are rarely felt. However, earthquakes with a high magnitude can cause harm to the surroundings and also living things. So when an earthquake strikes, this is what we should do.
First and most importantly, do not panic. Maintain a calm composure and assess your next step with a short amount of time you're given to act. At moments like this, your safety is your priority.
If you're indoors, look for something sturdy like this table to cover your whole body from falling debris. Always remember the duck, cover, and hold your support. It can save your life.
Even before the disaster, you must familiarize yourself with the emergency plan of a building so you know the quickest and most efficient way to safety.
Make sure to gather in an open area with no risk of falling structures or objects like power lines or buildings. In that open area, wait for aftershocks that may arrive.
While waiting, make sure there are no aftershocks. Check yourself and others for injuries so first aid can be applied as soon as possible. Call your local hotlines to report and for any emergency.
Ano ba yan? Lobat na naman ako. Kachat pa naman yung baby ko. Aray, ano ba yan? Naglulus yung charger ko. Ano ba yan?
Kaya umayos ka nga, huwag mong ginagamit yung phone mo habang nag-charge. Naku, baka sumabog yan sa ginagawa mo.
Ano ba? Wala lang yan. Puyat lang yan, Shay. Tulog mo lang yan.
Bes, naamoy mo ba yun? Amoy usok?
Ha? Anong usok? Wala naman akong naaamoy. Ano ba yan, partner? Lahat ng ginawa nila ay mali. Ano nga ba ang dapat gawin pag may fire emergency? Una mo muna.
Suriin kung makakapag-evacuate immediately and don't panic.
Don't panic! Pangalawa, crawl low.
Kaya nagtapa ka pa.
Hindi ganyan. Crawl low as in crawl.
Next, before touching the doorknob, make sure it's either cold or hot. Kung nasigurado niyong hot siya, humanap kayo ng thick material like an old cloth to make sure na hindi kayo mapapasok pag hinawakan niyo ito. Next, if nasa building ka naman with many stories, make sure to never ever use the elevator kasi meron itong posibilidad na mahulog pag ginamit. Make sure to reach and search for the emergency exits or the emergency stairwells once that emergency arrives.
Hap, hap, hap! May nakakalimutan kayo. Before evacuating, make sure to close the door to prevent the fire and smoke from spreading.
If your clothes catches on fire, you stop, drop, and roll.
Ganito ba yun?
Stop, drop, and roll. Do that.
Hindi ganyan! Stop, drop, and roll talaga! Stop moving and drop the floor and until the flames are out.
So remember the three main things. Get out, stay out, and call for help.
Disasters can happen anytime and anywhere, but preparedness is the one power we can control. Whether it's a typhoon, earthquake, or fire, every small action counts.
These are the key terms for you to remember. For typhoon, prepare, be safe, and care. For earthquake, you know the drill. Duck, cover, and hold. For fire, stop, drop, and roll. Sabi nga nila, iba ang may alam. And your safety starts with you.